Alright guys, so on Capcut you click on new project. Here is the video on your Capcut workspace. So we will first of all have to mute the sound in the background. You get my point? If you are in an open space like this, you know there will be noise in the background. So you click on this mute clip audio right here. Yeah, that's okay. So if you want to confirm that the clip is muted, the sound is muted, all you need to do is to tap on the video layer as it is now, then go to volume. When you click on volume, you will see that it's reduced to 0. You get my point? I believe you've learned something. So now let's click on OK. This is how you're going to record this video. You get my point? So you have to mount your camera on a tripod, then record yourself. You can decide to use a stone, you can decide to use a bare floor or table or anything. You know, as we are hitting the object, something is coming out. Something is moving out or flying out. So we want to apply that. You need to do the exact same thing right here. As you are hitting the stone, you wait a bit, then you hit again, you wait a bit, you hit again, then you wait a bit. All this you are trying to imagine you seeing what is coming out from the stone to make it look real. You get my point? So you have to do this. Even if you use a stick to hit, it's still fine. You get my point? You don't really need to make sure it's a stone. So when you are done with this, you can now save the video. So now that's how to record the video, but let's get back and edit this video because we are on Capcut already. You get my point? So at first, we don't even need this empty background. You get my point? So I'm gonna bring this video to this point where I want it to start here. So look at, from this particular part here, I will come to split. I will split and delete the beginning of the video. Please make sure you follow it step by step. I don't want to be too fast, so you won't say I was too fast that you did not get it. So towards the ending of this video, sorry, I'm not too good at English, you get my point, but I believe you understand what I'm saying. So I want it to end somewhere here when the character is lifting his eyes towards the camera, somewhere here. So I'll tap on the video layer now, tap on split, then I will delete the ending part of the video. So this is how the video is going to end. You get my point? From here that you are staring at the stone or the table, depending on what you are using, guys, from this particular part where you want to hit, immediately you just hit the stone. I'm gonna be using stone because I'm using stone. So you click on overlay. Now you click on add overlay. So look at it here. This one is tom. We call it tom. So what you're going to do right here is you go to remove BG. Now click on remove BG. Click on chroma key. Understand? So at this point you are going to move this circle. Understand? Make sure this circle is covered with green color, just like what you see me do right here. Understand? So you can increase the intensity and leave it at 30 or 31. Let it be at 30. Then leave the shadow. Now that's okay. But as you can see, we still have the green color around the tom. You get my point? So now let's go and look for adjust. Let's go look for adjust. So look at adjust here. So just move to HSL. Click on HSL. Tap on this screen. Now reduce the saturation to -100. So as you can see, the tom, there's no green color on the bed. You get my point? So you just tap on OK. Now what you need to do right here is to position it. Make sure the bed is positioned. So let's just see how it's going to be first. But we don't like the way it appears. Understand? We need to apply animation to it so it will look good. Understand? So it just be immediately we just hit, it appears. So now to add the animation, you can just move this bed a little. You get my point? Don't worry, just tap on the bed layer, that's second layer. Now click on animation. we are looking for fade in, understand? So you click on fade in. So when you click on fade in, just give it a little while. I know I have a little issue with network there. I'm good. So increase it to 1.0, just 1 second. You get my point? So you leave it there. So you have something like this, not still good enough. So you're gonna drag it a little away from it. So when once you hit, not still good also. So as you can see, it appears very well. So the TomTom is eating. So what you need to do again is to just position it. Make sure TomTom is right there. You get my point? It's eating. As you can see, it's eating. It's eating. So now before you move to another one, as you can see, this particular effect, the TomTom doesn't move, the bed doesn't move from its position. So it's time you need keyframe for this particular effect. So you can just decide to add another key, add a keyframe here. You get my point? So when you add keyframe here, you move the video a bit. Then from here, you are going to move the bed. Just shift the bed down. Now you can move the video a bit, then you move the bed a little. You get my point? Now at this point here, we need to apply graph. Now you click on graph. When you click on graph, there are different type of graphs here. So we are going to select bounce. So this bounce is what we are going to select, bounce 1. You get my point? So when you select bounce 1, let's play the video. You're going to see something. So you see the way it is. See the way it is. It's kind of jumping. You get my point? So I just want to make you guys understand that each of these graphs, if you want me to break it down for you to understand the use of graph, you let me know. You get my point? So when we select the bounce 1, you can move the video a bit again. Then you move the bed, tap on the bed layer, move the bed a bit also. Understand? Then you can still come back here, then add the graph again. Now this time around, you can still add that bounce again. You get my point? Let it be as if the bed is jumping. It's jumping round. Or you can add bounce too. Let's see. So you can leave it right there. So this is how it's going to be. So it's not really bad the way it is. Now we are done with the first one. But you can decide to take it away if you wish to, or you can decide to leave it there. So the bed will still remain there. You get my point? Now you come towards the ending part of it and delete it, or you adjust it like this, so the bed will still be there. So now you can add another thing. Now what are you going to add? I want to add a snake. You get my point? So guys, with all this, you can add any other effect, any other thing you want to add. You get my point? So I don't want this video to be very long. So alright, so I had to bring in the bee. You get my point? You know my bee. So I like this bee so much. So what you're gonna do is you go to remove BG. Now tap on remove BG, go to chroma key. Now move this circle to where it shows green, just like this. You get my point? So you can increase the intensity to 25. Just leave it there at 25. You get my point? Leave the shadow, forget about the shadow. So now go back to adjust. Where is adjust? Now click on adjust. Still on HSL. I'm sorry. Now click on saturation. Reduce it to -100, and you are good to go. Click on OK, and that's okay. That's fine. So now you need to do the adjustment here. Now once the character hits his hand on the stone, the B is going to appear. So you can decide to make it small, just bring it down, or if you are using Capcut, you will observe with me that most of the times if you want to adjust it using your finger, sometimes it doesn't really respond. So if you're having issues like that, you go to basic. Now look at basic here, click on basic, click on scale. So now you reduce the size. You get my point. So make it blend right there. You get my point. So you can go to position, then you use the Y and the X axis as the movement. You get my point, to direct it where you want it to be. So you click on OK. So now from here you need to add animation also. As you tap on the second layer, now go look for animation. Now click on animation. Now click on fade out. So you see the way it appears. When once you hit, you see the way it appears, and it's flying. So before you hit another one, make sure this one flies away. So what I'm gonna do here is I will tap on I'll add keyframe right here. Then I'll move the video a bit. Then I will move this B away from there. Understand? Then at this point, I'm gonna make it big a little. I'm not gonna maintain that same size. You get my point? So go to scale, then make it big. Not too big, understand? Just make it big a little. Then you move the video a bit. Then you can use your hand to drag it, move the video. You can move the video to the end. Get my point? Then when we're here, then you drag it. Let me just make sure another thing comes out when I hit the third time. So at this point you still go back and then repeat the same thing. I don't want this video to be very, very, very long, understand? So I'll just go to overlay, add overlay. You are good to go. So all you need to do is to save your video to your gallery. You get my point? So if you are coming across my video for the first time, please do well to hit the like button. Make sure you share this video, you comment. See you in our next video. Ha 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 ha.